YouTubers, how you doing? James here, and I wanted to get back to you with part 2 of the Baffin Hurricane Snowmobile boot review like I told you I would. So last Saturday I had a chance to get up to Iron Mountain up in Northern California Sierras and put these boots through the test. And I have to tell you, I'm very, very impressed. Not only did these boots keep my feet warm, they kept them dry. It was about 25 degrees when we launched at probably 10 o'clock in the morning. We left out of there probably at about, 7 o'clock, and it had dropped down a few degrees in the evening. And my feet were dry and they were warm. And I wore thin socks on testing these boots. So I wasn't wearing my normal thin socks with a thick pair of wool socks over them. So they were just thin socks, and like I said, my feet were never cold and they were dry. So very, very impressed. You could barely tell that these boots were used. I used them, like I said, all day. Some small scuff marks here on the side from the running boards, from jumping back and forth, things like that. But other than that, these things are awesome. I have to say, if you're looking for a great boot that'll keep your feet warm and dry, I suggest getting these. With that being said, I suggest getting a half size bigger if you plan on wearing thick socks, because I'm sure at some point maybe the insert will stretch a little bit, but I could see this getting a bit tight in the beginning with thick socks. Like I said, the pair I was wearing was very thin and my feet were dry and warm. So they may stretch a bit down the road, but I just don't know how long that's going to be. So be on the safe side, get a half size bigger. Like I said, the ratcheting system here, if you think they're going to run too loose, you can get these right around the front. They tighten right up. I had no issues with them being loose at all. And then to release them, you just push the 2 red tabs and it pops right open. They're very stiff. With that being said, thank you for watching. Please check back on my website here, and I'll be giving some more reviews on some different snowmobile items. James out. Good night.